Here we have an example of some office data for a very basic sales sheet. When presenting data like this, you might want to make a visual representation rather than sending out a big sheet of numbers. So we're going to use the conditional formatting tool to do that. So to start with, highlight column B, which is all the sales value. Go to the ribbon on the Home tab. Click Styles, or if the conditional formatting button is there straight away, then click that. If you go down to data bars and hover over gradient fill, you will straight away see a visual representation of that data. It's like a little mini graph in each cell. And as you hover over, you can see different colours, and you can just click on whichever one you want. You can go down to solid fill and have each colour scheme that they have. So for now I'm just going to pick gradient fill just to give you an example, and it should automatically do that. As you can see, the longer bar is for the longer number, the shorter bar is for the smaller number. If you click on again and go to Styles, Conditional Formatting, you can also go to Colour Scales, which makes the whole cell a different colour depending on the number. So the higher cells will be green, the lower values will be red, and all the gradient of colours in between, and you can have various different colour schemes. If you click on icon sets, you can have arrows or shapes, colours, any of these that you decide you might like and is appropriate for the data. It's important to always make sure that it's appropriate and not have too much on one cell. You don't want to confuse the issue, so always keep it simple. If you decide that you want to take all of that off, perhaps you've changed your mind completely and you don't need it anymore, hover over the column, click the column, go back to the styles, go to conditional formatting and clear rules. You can either clear rules from the selected cells, or if you've got lots of different rules and you only want to do this rule, then you can click that one, or you can click clear rules from entire sheet, which will remove all rules from the entire sheet. It might be that you have a specific scheme that you want to use. Go up to Styles, click Conditional Formatting, and you can make your own rules. For example, click New Rule and click Format only cells that contain a cell value, in this case less than 20. So you might want to find and highlight all sales that have a sale value of less than £20. Click Format, go to Fill, and we're going to colour that cell red. Click OK, click OK, and as you can see, all the values less than £20 are now in red, and any that are higher are remaining unformatted. And again, if you click column B and go to Styles, Conditional Formatting, you can clear the rules and save your data as it was. This video is brought to you by Best STL. You can learn this and more on our Excel Introduction course. Visit microsofttraining.net.